last year, okay, this is just to recap, okay, obviously you must have done it in depth, you must have done like some kind of verification or proof for this, but there are two or three properties which we need to know, okay. The first property we are going to is called the before that, does everyone know what a triangle is? Can anyone define what a triangle is? If I ask you to define what a triangle is, Tejaswini, go ahead.
So it's a polygon with 3 sides.
Fantastic, Tejaswini. Okay, nothing else. So I want you to write the heading as triangles, and I want you to write definition of triangle is polygon. Polygon already we have defined before, so you don't have to go into that. Already we have defined polygon with 3 sides you can write, or polygon with 3 vertices you can write. Okay, any one of that you can write. Okay, or a polygon with no diagonals you can write. Okay, polygon with 3 sides, that's a triangle. Okay, how will we name a polygon? We already know A, B, C, the vertices we are going to use. Okay, no need to draw this, we know that we all have seen triangles. Okay, now there are few properties here. Okay, all of these properties which I'm going to tell you now are actually theorems. What do I mean when I say they are theorems? Can someone tell me? I want to hear from the Harini. Harini, what do I mean when I say these are all theorems?
Sir, rules, sir.
There is a meaning of the word theorem which we have discussed in class. No, Harini. Let's see from Ritvika. Ritvika, can you tell me what is the meaning of the word theorem?
Proof.
Proof, simply proof, no. Wait, Anagraya. Let me hear from Lakshita. Lakshita, what is the meaning of the word theorem?
Sir, it means that you need theories to prove it, sir.
Illapa. No theory word only is not there. Okay. Dheeraj.
Sir, mathematical statement which need a proof.
Correct. Okay. It's okay if you're seeing and telling also, but I like that you are referring to what exactly we told. Mathematical statement which needs proof to be accepted. It needs proof, needing proof. Okay. I have talked about this in class, right? Dheeraj, Lakshita, have we discussed this in class? Yeah. Axiom we had discussed, example as 2 plus 2 equal to 4. We don't need any proof for this. Correct. This is coming from our common sense. We don't need any proof for this. Just like that linear pair axiom we talked. We don't need any proof for this. We can see that it is forming a straight line. So obviously it will be 180 degree. You remember this discussion, Lakshita?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are we good with the difference between axiom and theorem? Give me an on-screen thumbs up if you are clear. Theorem means we need to prove it. Okay, we cannot accept it simply. Okay, it's a complicated thing, like vertically opposite angles are equal. It is a complicated thing. We need to prove it. Okay, Akshata and Harini. Akshata, you're not joined to audio. What's happening there? Are you hearing, not hearing? What's going on? Okay, Aditya, you want to add something here?
No, sir.
Okay, you can lower your hand. You wanted to answer, yeah? Axiom and theorem?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we are all good with this, right? Axiom versus theorem, okay? So we are not getting into the proofs right now because those proofs were there in 7th class and they will repeat in 9th class for you, okay? But we are only getting to what those theorems are, okay? What those properties are, okay? We are only talking about that for now. Does it make sense to everyone?
Yes,
okay,
sir.
we are not seeing the proof now, but all of these have proofs which will come again for you in class 9th. Okay, that is when you will learn it. But we are only going to see the properties now and what they mean. Okay, and we are going to accept it, and we are going to trust Gaurav sir that there is some proof which will come in 9th class. Okay, you're going to trust the book. Okay, that's what we're going to do. But actually, you should not be doing it because any math in geometry, everything needs a proof. Okay, from now, get into that habit of asking for proof. Okay, so moving ahead, the first property is before I move ahead, before I go to the properties, let us recap few important things about a triangle. Okay. Now this is what I'm drawing as a triangle. Okay. A, B, C. Can you tell me what A, B, B, C, and C, A are? A, B, B, C, and C, A are what? Sahil. A, B, B, C, and C, A. Line segment A, B, line segment B, C, line segment C, A. What are these? For the triangle.
What, sir? The
What
side.
are these? They are sides of the triangle. Very good. Okay. A, B, and C. What are these for the triangle? I want to ask.
Me only, sir.
No, not you. Okay, go ahead. You only answer. A, B, and C are what?
What is that, sir?
Very good. They are vertices of the triangle. Okay. Then I will do one more thing. Angle BAC, angle CBA, and angle और एक क्या बचा? ACB. These are what? I'm talking about these angles. Okay. Now all of these also are like this. Also it is there. But when we talk about only interior angles. Okay. Usually. Okay. So we're talking about the interior angles of the triangle. Okay. No need to write this. But these should be clear. What are the sides? What are vertices? Okay. And when you simply say angle, you will think interior angle only, not the exterior reflex angle. We will not think about that commonly until it is told. Okay. So this is good for everyone. Can you take down what I've written on the screen quickly? Okay. The sides of triangle ABC, vertices of triangle ABC. I want you to take this down quickly. Bega, maadbeku. Harini, you're raising your hands. You want to add something?
No, sir.
Okay. Anagra, I'm putting it to you in chat. I'll wait for 10 seconds more. Let me just get water in the 10 seconds. Can you see my screen, Anagra? Okay. So this is one basic thing. Okay. Now more than this, what is going to happen? Now let's think that M is the midpoint of BC. Okay. Let's assume M is midpoint of BC. Okay. Can you tell me what will the line segment AM be called? What will be the name of the line segment AM? You can raise your hands if you know. It's a special thing, just like sides and vertices. I have not taught it till now. If you know from last year, raise your hands. Dheeraj and Tejaswini and Shubham and Surya, go ahead.
Sir, perpendicular line.
नहीं है भाई, परपेंडिकुलर के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है कि 90 डिग्री होना. ये 90 डिग्री दिख रहा है क्या?
No, sir.
So not correct. Dikshit. Dikshit. Hello. 3, 2, 1. Over to Harini.
Sir, symmetrical line.
Illapa. Sorry. Tejaswini.
So height.
Incorrect. Shubham.
Same as Harini. I was going to say that.
None of you are correct. Okay. So AM, the line segment AM, okay, is called median. Have you heard this before?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let's define a median. Okay, median definition. Okay, let's write that down. Okay, median is a line. A median is a line segment connecting a vertex of a triangle, in this case a vertex of a triangle, to the midpoint. What is the midpoint here? It's M. To the midpoint of the opposite side. Okay, of the opposite side. Guys, please note, for A opposite side is BC. So AM is the median. For B, opposite side will be what? Sahil, do you want to take a guess? For B, what will be the opposite side?
Sir, it will be C.
C तो vertex है. Opposite side कौन सा होगा? Think
Sir,
about it. Okay.
A and C.
A and C नहीं, AC. ठीक है? Think about this. A के लिए opposite side is BC. So for B, opposite side will be AC. Okay. Tejaswini, can you tell me what will be the opposite side for C?
Sir, AB.
AB. Very good. Okay. So there are how many medians do you think will be there totally in this diagram? How many medians will be there in any triangle? I want Shivangi to answer. How many medians will be there, Shivangi?
Sir, M.
हाँ, ये तो एक median है. AM is a median. Okay. For example, AM. Okay. This is one median. But और medians बना सकते हैं क्या?
Yes, sir.
How many can I make more?
Sir, by drawing line or like this only?
By
From this-
like this, in this question only, in this diagram only, one median I have drawn. Okay, that is AM. Can I make more medians? See the definition of median and tell me. Line segment joining a vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side. Midpoint of the opposite side. M is the midpoint. It's joining AM. Now, like that, like AM, can I make more medians in this triangle?
No, sir. In this not. We can't.
You are saying we can't. How many of you think we can? Akshata?
There are 3 medians.
3 medians. Correct, Akshata. Can you tell me how you will make?
So we take B is the main point. Just opposite will be AC.
Correct. Somewhere here also there will be midpoint. Let's call this midpoint P. Okay, where AP and AC and PC are equal. So there will be, if I make AP and PC equal, P will be one midpoint. So if I join BP, I will get one more median. Just like that, I can get one more median by joining C with the opposite side center. Okay, so somewhere here there will be Q, and this will be one more median. Does that make sense? Shivangi, this is clear for you?
Yes, sir. But I thought you were saying to make from A, B, C, M only.
Correct. And okay, maybe my question was not clear. What I meant was, in this diagram, in this triangle, how many medians are possible? Okay, that was my question. Yeah. So you can write this definition. You can write example AM. Okay, no need to draw 3 medians. Just draw one median, and how I have drawn here. Okay, you can no need to draw BP and this one. Okay, so just draw that, and you write in any triangle. In any triangle, we can draw 3 medians. Okay, one for each vertex. Okay, take this down.
Sir, hello, sir.
Bolo.
Sir, if there are 4 sides, sir, if you draw.
Good
Like
question. इसीलिए definition में क्या है? Definition में तुमको polygon दिख रहा है क्या?
नहीं.
Definition में क्या दिख रहा है साहिल?
A line segment connecting a vertex of a triangle, sir.
Triangle में 4 side हो सकता है क्या?
नहीं, sir.
Okay. Does it answer your question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Median is only for triangle. Okay, not for any other polygon. Okay. Yes, Anagreh, you have a question?
Sir, but in that this word data, sir.
Correct. Data handling में also there is median. It has a different meaning. Okay. In geometry, this is the meaning. Okay. There is a relation bit. See, if you think about it, there also something about some central value only. Okay. Like, but they have used the same word, but these are two very different branches of mathematics. Okay. So, Anagreh, good question. But in geometry, when I say median, it means triangle ka line segment connecting vertex to opposite side. Okay.
Okay. Sir.
Yeah. In data handling, when the chapter comes, there will be another median. Yes, you're right. So give me a thumbs up if you're done copying. If you're done copying, give me a thumbs up. Okay, I'll give you 30 seconds more, guys. Please be quick. 30 seconds more.
Sir, break, sir. Time 12.
Sahil, I thought it is my class only. I'll not give a break. You need a break, yeah? For some reason.
No, sir.
Okay. Is it okay if I carry it on and finish it at 1 together? Thoda, if you want, guys, you know what? If you want to use a washroom or drink water, take 1 minute now. Yeah, take 1-2 minutes now. Okay, if you just want to do that, I'll take 1 minute and then I'll start. If we are back, can you raise your hand if you're back with whatever break you took? If you're back, raise your hands. Okay, we'll wait for others. We'll wait for 1 minute for others. Don't lower your hands, okay? If you're here, keep your hands raised. That'll be like an attendance for you. Anagreh, you're here? Okay. Okay. I'm waiting for Shubham, Aditya.
Sir, I came.
I'm waiting for Shubham, Akshata, Dheeraj, Dikshit, Harini. Okay, Dheeraj, who is this person? This Dheeraj is there. Akshata, Harini. Give me a thumbs up also, that's also fine. Okay. Dikshit. Okay. All right, guys, you can lower your hands now. I think everyone is back. Lower your hands. Yes, please lower your hands. Everyone. Okay. So the next topic, the next concept which we need to know very clearly, the next definition in triangles which we need to know is the word altitude, or it's also known as, anyone? The word altitude is also known as Lakshita.
Height, sir.
Height. Okay. Altitude or height. You can lower your hands now if you have. Okay. Altitude or height of a triangle. Okay. This is very, very interesting. Okay. Because actually, it's something which many people don't understand properly. Okay. So we're going to take at least like some 10 minutes to discuss this. Okay. Pay close attention to me. Okay. What we mean by height. Okay. Let me actually Who is this? Rini and Amina joining. Okay. What we mean by height actually. Think about a table. Okay. Think about a table, right? Let me only show you this. So suppose this is my table. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, Anagre, you will be face. Okay. Let me place this. So this is a triangle. Okay. Think about only the triangle part of this. Anagreya, I'm going to keep you here. Anagreya, can you see? Okay, this is my triangle. Okay, let me just spotlight my video. Now what I'm going to do, okay, see this triangle only you see. The back part you don't see, only think about this much. Okay, triangle part. Now when I keep this upright, which means I keep it standing on the table, okay, when it is standing on the table, straight it is standing, that time how much the height is, okay, how much the height is, this much is the height, okay, that time let me use a scale. That time how much my height is, okay, this much my height is, it is 5 centimeter, okay, when it is standing straight, which means what you should pay very close attention. What do I now, when we can't make a triangle stand straight in our notebook, no, that is not possible. So what we mean is, suppose this is my triangle, okay, suppose this is my triangle, that bottom flat thing, that is the base, no, that one line segment which is the base, we are thinking, if I drop the perpendicular, it can be anyway, okay, if I drop the perpendicular, which means directly from here, how much the distance will be from the flat base, from the flat side, opposite side, okay. And I'm going to take it to 2D right now, okay. This was just something which I was saying, just think about it, okay. Think about, suppose I am sitting, and suppose there is a person who is sitting like this, okay. This is his legs and this is his head, okay. Now his height, if you go to measure, what will be the tallest point in his head? The tallest point is here, okay. From there you will drop a perpendicular, okay. From here you will drop a perpendicular. And I'm going till the flat, even though the side is here, I'm going flat from here and seeing, okay, from here to here, what the size is, okay. I would have loved to do this in a physical classroom, but with these limitations, and let's see what we are understanding here. I'm going to take what we have done. Lakshita, you still raising your hands? Do you want to lower it? Wait, guys, hold on, okay. I want you to lower your hands, okay. Let me finish the explanation and then we will see what doubts we still have, okay. I'm going to take it to our understanding of a triangle, okay. Now, whenever I talk about, so what I basically told is, when I talk about height, okay, my height, so when I'm standing straight, my foot, that line which is on my foot, from there till my topmost point, that's my head, okay, that is my height, okay. Now we're going to take this understanding and go into a triangle, okay. Take this understanding and go into a triangle. Let me share my screen. Okay, now suppose, okay, there is a triangle like this, okay. There's a triangle like this, okay. First only I'm throwing a theta triangle to you, okay. I'm not going to start with a triangle which is flat. It will become very easy, okay. Now for this purposes, okay, if I was going to keep it on a table, suppose this triangle ABC, okay, and I'm going to keep side BC on a table, okay. Side BC is what I'm keeping on a table. Everyone good so far? Yeah. Now I want you to imagine actually that side BC is on a table. Then how will I calculate the height? I want you to think, okay. Then what will happen? So you tilt your head and see, BC should be flat. Somewhere like this, there will be a perpendicular, no, from A, because A is the tallest point. So somewhere like this, A, there will be one perpendicular which will fall on BC. Now this length, AP, okay, AP is perpendicular to BC, okay. This length is called the altitude or height of a triangle for triangle ABC, okay. altitude at A, that also altitude at A. Now, yes, there are some questions. Let me give me 1 more minute. Okay. Now this, so if I were to like actually think about, if you were to think, okay, so actually BC will be placed like this, okay, and it will become like this, A, B, C. Okay, same triangle, I am moving it like this, okay, and then this is AP. Okay, now do you understand why AP is height? I want a thumbs up if you're clear about why AP is height. Okay, why AP is height? If you're clear about that, I want a thumbs up. Okay, I know there might be other questions in your mind, but okay, Sahil is not clear. Sahil, can we talk?
Sir, if AB was flat, sir, then CB.
Correct. वो आएंगे. AP क्यों है वो पता है? वो
Sir,
second part है. तीन
confused.
जैसे तीन medians था Sahil, you're right. There will be 3 heights also in this. Okay, depending on which vertex you are placing at the top. But are you clear why I am telling that AP is an altitude? AP is one of the 3. Do you get it? Are you getting that part?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, this correct, Sahil, and I think that's why many of the other people were also raising their hands. You can take any side and place it on the table. Correct. You can take any side and place it on the table. Now we played. Now we had placed BC, but now what we will do? We will not place BC. Okay. We will place AB on the table. Chalo. Like Sahil said, we'll place AB on the table. Okay. Wait, let me draw this once again. Let's place AB bhi maja nahi aa raha hai. Okay, let's place AB on the table. Okay, little I want it to be acute so that we'll go to obtuse also. Okay, so AB when I'm placing on the table, think this is the table. Okay, this is my table now. Okay, now what I will do, I'll drop a perpendicular from C to AB. Okay, think I'm measuring from AB how far above C is. Okay, you can turn your phone and see. Turn your phone and put AB flat. You'll be able to understand what I'm doing here. Okay, this is perpendicular. Let this be CX. Okay, so CX is perpendicular to AB. Now here CX is also an altitude. It's a different altitude. It's a different height, but it is also an altitude. Does that make sense? CX is also an altitude. Is this part clear? Give me a thumbs up if this is clear. Sahil, you're still showing me a cross. If it has changed, and remove your cross. Yeah. Is this part clear? Okay. Okay. I'm not seeing everyone giving me thumbs up. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. So let me take it to you. Take the third part to you now. Third side dekhte hain. Okay. Now there is one more side, which is what? AC. अब AC को table में रखते हैं. Okay. AC. This is sorry. AC I'm placing on the table. Okay. Now, if this is on the table, I want you to turn your tab and see how AC, if AC is flat, AC should be like this. Okay. Then from B, 190 degree can fall here. Okay. Then from B, 190 degree can fall here. Okay. Like this. Yeah. Let this be BM. Now BM is perpendicular to AC. So BM is also an height, is also another altitude. I don't want you to be taking any notes, but I want you to be seeing to understand this. Sahil, go ahead. You have something to share here?
Sir, I have a doubt, sir. Should sometimes, sir, the perpendicular altitude, sir, sometimes it will be same, sir. Is it always not same and
maybe it is same also, Sahil. It can be same. Suppose you have an equilateral triangle. Suppose you have an equilateral triangle, then all of these altitudes will be same. Okay. But always it will depend on what kind of triangle you have. Okay. Does it answer your question?
okay?
Yeah. Tejaswini, you are raising your hands. Now is the time for doubts, guys. Okay. Tejaswini, you are raising your hands.
Sir, does it always measure 90 degree?
Good question, Tejaswini. For this, no. Actually, I will have to show it to you. Tejaswini, think of Okay, how will I show? Let me show it to you on the screen only. Okay, I would have done a nice activity if we were in class, but very difficult now. Okay, now forget triangle. Okay, Tejaswini, I want you to think that this is one wall. Okay, think that this is one wall. Okay, nothing else. It's a wall. Okay, Tejaswini.
Yes, sir.
Now there is a drawing like this here. Okay, on the wall, I'm doing a drawing like this. Okay, this is a drawing. Leaves are there. Okay, flowers are there. Now, Tejaswini, if I had to ask you first before going to the drawing, okay, suppose Tejaswini is standing here. Tejaswini, what is your height? If I have to measure your height, how you will measure your height, Tejaswini?
So we'll measure it down to up, straight.
Can you tell me what distance will it be? Like little bit more explanation can you give from down to up? Can you be little bit more explanation?
I didn't understand.
Let's see if someone can give a little bit more explanation of how we'll measure Tejaswini's height. Amin.
Sir, we can do like how much she is like she is standing down on the line, sir. Then the right side that line is there, sir. We can put any scale, sir, and we can measure.
So you're saying you will do like this and you will measure from here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Even if you don't do that, if you just mark the top of her head, okay, and then you ask Tejaswini to go away, remove her, okay, and then you measure with a scale how much this length is. Will that be enough? I mean,
yes, sir.
Okay, everyone okay with this? Like this, we will measure Tejaswini's height. Anyone has a question about this, or do you accept it? Okay, this is correct. If you accept it, give me a thumbs up on screen. If you accept it, give me a thumbs up or tick mark on screen. Okay. Anyone? Aditya not seeing something? Okay, got it. Okay, Akshata not seeing anything from you. Any confusion? Unmute and tell me. Tejaswini's height we will measure like this. Okay. Now my question is, Tejaswini, you were though standing straight only. Okay, you were standing perpendicular only.
Yes,
Let's
sir.
leave that, Tejaswini. Now this painting is there in the wall. Okay, on the wall, I have this painting. Now my question to you is, Tejaswini, how will you measure the height of this painting? If someone asks you, on the wall, how high is this painting? How you will measure? Think about it. Question is open. Others can raise their hands, but Tejaswini, if Tejaswini does not answer, I'll ask to others. Tejaswini, go ahead.
I'll just measure the side of the painting, sir.
Side of the paint. I'm not getting what you're saying. I want you to break it down. Like I told, where I will mark your head, then I will measure. Like that, I want you to break it down and tell me how you will measure the height of this painting.
I'll measure the breadth of the painting, sir.
Where is breadth, length? I don't see only all of that. I don't know that language, Tejaswini. Can you explain to me in a layman language? I'm not understanding where breadth is for this painting. It's not even a rectangle. Where is breadth? I don't know.
So I'll put a mark at the top.
Top of what?
Painting.
Where is top? Like anywhere you will put? Like this you will put?
No, sir.
Like this you will put? Where you will
That
put?
line.
Okay, this. Where will you put? Tell me now.
So that line, top line.
Here?
No, sir.
Here?
Blue line, sir.
Blue line, here.
Yes, sir.
Is the painting till there?
Sir, you're saying only this flower painting.
Yes, I just want the height of this paint in this. So I just now told, no, you were standing. This is a wall, Tejaswini. This is not a painting boundary. I told you, no, you were standing here now. How? Okay. Think of this as a wall, not as a painting boundary. In that wall, that painting is there. Bad example, I think. Okay, but go ahead.
Sir, near the flower, I'll put a line.
Near the flower, where you will put? Here you will put?
No, sir, top of the flower.
At the top of the flower, you will put a line?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and then what you will do, Tejaswini?
And then remove the flower and
calculate the height.
How will you calculate? How you will calculate? What is the height?
Sir, this flower is not straight.
Correct. I'm asking height only.
I didn't hear, sir.
I am asking only height, Tejaswini. I'm not asking the how long the flower is. I'm asking what is the height of this. Suppose a child is sitting here and seeing how high it is. That's the question.
So if we remove the flower, then what height will come? That will be the height.
And how will you find that height? Let's see if Surya wants to add something here. Tejaswini, good, okay. I like how this discussion went. Let's see if Surya wants to add something here. Surya?
Sir, sir, we have to draw a straight line from that red line, sir, to blue.
To which blue?
Sir, down blue.
You are saying we'll draw a straight line like this, you're saying?
Yes, sir.
And we will measure this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now can you tell me, you are using the word straight. Actually, I should not be accepting it. What exactly is the relationship between this line AB and the base XY? What exactly is the relationship between AB and XY? What you just did.
Sir,
What exactly is the relationship? Wait, Anagra. Jitin, do you want to come in?
Hello, sir.
Yes, Jitin.
Perpendicular lines.
It is perpendicular. Tejaswini, are you following here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, to find the height, even though this was teda meda, one diagram was teda meda, it was tilted, okay. But when I told height, what is coming to your mind? Take the top point, okay. Take the top point, and from that top point, okay, we are drawing a straight line. Like in normal language, we will say draw straight to the floor. But you know mathematics now. Can you say drop a perpendicular to the floor? Correct, Tejaswini?
Yes, sir.
From here, if we drop a perpendicular to the floor, then this length of AB will be equal to height of the painting. Can I say that?
Yes, sir.
Now, I want an on-screen thumbs up if you are clear with this, or if you have any doubts, unmute and tell. We will do a deeper discussion, okay? This is clear. Give me an on-screen thumbs up. Shh. Aditya, what about you? Dheeraj, what about you?
Sir.
Yes, Surya, you're not clear?
Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
हाँ सूर्या 1 मिनट आते हैं तुम्हारे डाउट पे 1 मिनट ओके
Sir, in
1 minute Surya 1 minute just 1 minute Dheeraj are you clear
Yes.
Okay let's okay Surya go ahead Surya actually just let me just complete this topic once let me tie this back then I'll come to your doubt okay Anagra you are good no
Yes sir.
Okay guys why I brought this whole discussion you know because whenever we are calculating height okay whenever we are calculating height of anything we are calculating height of building the building should be perpendicular. Do you know the Leaning Tower of Pisa? Have you heard about the Leaning Tower of Pisa? Have people heard? Shubham has heard. Shubham, can you tell us about that tower?
So it's like a little tilted.
It is like this, okay? It is a building which is like this. Now, if you have to calculate the height of this, Shubham, how you will calculate?
So the top of the tower to the baseline perpendicular.
Okay, let me tell you. So AB, okay, here there is C. Shubham, can you tell me AB will be the height or AC will be the height? Which one will be the height?
Sir, AB.
AB will be the height, okay? So wait, huh? Akshata is, Anagra, can you please add Akshata to the call?
Okay sir.
Yeah. So guys, why I'm doing this discussion is AB is the height, okay? Even though AC is like in normal building, AC and AB will be same, but Leaning Tower of Pisa, AC and AB are different, okay? So AB is our height, AC is not our height, okay? The height of this tower is from the ground perpendicular distance. Now Tejaswini, I am going to ask you one thing. Now does it make sense to you why? Does it make sense to you why it has to be perpendicular when we talk about a triangle?
So,
Yeah, because height itself, when we say the word height, automatically we are thinking from the base. From wherever we are measuring the height, we have to draw perpendicular only. Does that make sense, Tejaswini?
yes, sir.
Okay, Anagrah, you have not yet added Akshata. Okay, I'll add.
It's not getting added, sir.
Okay, wait, I'll add. Surya, we'll come to your doubt in 1 minute. Okay, just let me add Akshata. Okay, ये क्या हो रहा है यार? Akshata. No, I don't even know which number she is using. Akshata 3. Okay, 1 second. Okay, why my camera? Achha, my camera is also. Wait, guys, my camera is off for some reason. Oh, it's not on, turning on only. Hut yaar. Okay. Surya, अब आपका doubt. Surya, let's come to your doubt now. Yes.
Sir, why we will not measure like AC, sir?
Surya, क्योंकि meaning of height यही है. Meaning of height ही है ये. Okay.
Sir,
Definition of height है. So wait. अभी के अभी Surya. Okay. Let's actually Google the meaning of height. Okay. I'm going to do that. Height का meaning. Okay. The measurement of someone or something from head to top or from base to top. Okay. Measurement from base to top. अब यहाँ पे बेस क्या है सूर्या? बेस ये पार्ट है. ओके, यहां से टॉप, इसका शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस क्या है सूर्या? ए बी शॉर्टेस्ट है ना यहाँ पे. अगर आप AC लोगे तो आपका हाइट, अगर आप किसी को बोलोगे, इफ यू वर टू से समवन, सपोज दिस इज 55 मीटर एंड दिस इज 50 मीटर. ओके, सपोज यू विल गो एंड से समवन लीनिंग टावर ऑफ पिज़ा इज 55 मीटर हाई. Actually, you're saying wrong, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you're getting, that's the meaning of the word height only. Okay, good question. Why we don't talk, but that's like saying it's actually the definition. The meaning of the word height is only that. Okay, that you have to take perpendicular from the base. That's what I'm trying to make you realize. Even in common language, we are actually taking perpendicular. Okay.
Okay, sir.
When we measure your height, Surya, when we measure your height, we will make you stand straight on this wall. No.
Yes, sir.
We will not make you lie down, and we will suppose you're lying down and then we are measuring with tape. Are we doing like that?
No, sir.
No, right? We are making you stand straight and we are measuring from base to top. How much is Surya's height? You're getting me? That's the meaning. Yes, that's the definition of the word height. Okay, Aditya, you raised your hands. You want to share something here?
Sir, altitude means, sir, from top to bottom in 90 degree we have to make it, no, sir?
Yes. Altitude and height mean the same only for our purposes.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So does this leaning tower of Pisa example also help us? Tejaswini, how are you feeling after this?
So I'm feeling good, sir. Understood.
Okay, glad to know that. Okay. Very good, Akshata. So now you missed this part. I'm going to share the video with you later. Okay. I'm not going to explain the whole thing again right now. Okay. I'm going to share this video with you later. Okay. You remind me about that around 3 o'clock, Akshata. Is that okay? Yeah, I would have uploaded the video by then. Okay. So this was the discussion on altitude or height of a triangle. Okay. But the point is, this is not, all this height of a painting and all is not important. Okay. What we should know, we should be able to make the height of a triangle. But you know what? Actually, just take a just draw this diagram. Okay, just draw this diagram, because this will help us understand why we are taking height as perpendicular. Okay, so just draw this diagram. I'll give you 1 minute to draw this. It should not take more than that. And write AB is the height of the building, the height of the painting. Okay. You won't even draw the Leaning Tower of Pisa diagram actually. Okay. Okay, here you drop a perpendicular like this, and you write AB. AB is equal to height of Leaning Tower of Pisa. Okay, it's a building which is like little leaning. Okay, it's a strange building in Italy. It's a major tourist attraction. You can just Google Leaning Tower of Pisa and you will find it. Okay, so quickly draw these two diagrams. Okay, and then we are going to take this to, yes, Shivam, fat se likh do. I'll give you 1 minute more. Okay, take down both of these diagrams. Even if you take down one diagram, it's okay. I'm just saying this so that you understand the concept of height properly. Okay, height or altitude. I can't hear you, Akshita. Your voice is breaking. I'm going to share a screenshot if that's what you're asking, but I can't hear you. There's something else. Type it in WhatsApp chat. Okay, give me a thumbs up if you're done copying, guys. If you're done copying, give me a thumbs up. Only getting one from Shivangi and Aditya. Okay, I'll wait for 30 seconds more. Be quick about it. Akshita, I've shared it on WhatsApp for you. Anagre also. Okay, now we are going to take this understanding only and we are going to go to height of a triangle. Okay, so now you can write the side heading as altitude or height of a triangle. Okay, moving ahead, if you have not done it, copied it till now, please make sure you copy from the screenshot. Now, any first thing we have already seen, okay, any triangle will have three different altitudes. Okay, actually, before this, let us define an altitude. Sorry, let's define an altitude. Okay, definition. A line segment let me think how to define this. Okay, distance from okay, altitude. Okay, the distance from the perpendicular distance, actually the perpendicular distance from one vertex of a triangle to the opposite side is called altitude. Okay, the perpendicular distance from one vertex of a triangle to the opposite side is called altitude. Sometimes the word distance is used when we say the measure. Okay, sometimes you can just think about the perpendicular line segment drawn from one vertex to the opposite side of the altitude. Okay, a perpendicular line segment drawn from one vertex to the opposite side of the to its opposite side is called altitude. Okay, let us draw a diagram to understand this, and try to not draw an equilateral triangle. Try to draw a triangle like how I am drawing. Okay, little teda meda, so that we are able to see three different altitudes. Okay, let's draw A, B, C. Okay, now you drop. Now, very important, when I'm drawing this perpendicular, no, sometimes it will fall like M only, where middle point was there, but it is not always necessary. If it is not equilateral, if it is not isosceles, it will not fall like that. Okay, it has to be perpendicular. So here AM is one altitude. Okay, so AM is perpendicular to BC. So AM is an altitude of triangle ABC. I want you to take this down and then quickly write that one point also. Any triangle will have totally three altitudes. Totally three such altitudes. Okay. Take this whole thing down. I'll give you 1 minute, 2 minutes. Sharing the screenshot in chat for Akshata and Andre. Just come back. Take this down.
Sir,
हाँ सूर्य बोलो.
sir, what is that, sir? Will have
Totally.
that word. Totally, sir.
Okay, total. Just write. We'll have totally three such altitudes. मतलब समझे सूर्या? टोटल 3 ऑल्टीट्यूड होंगे. अब यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो AM बना दिया. अब C से भी अगर मैं परपेंडिकुलर गिराऊंगा यहाँ पे तो CP हो गया और एक, एंड B से परपेंडिकुलर गिराएंगे तो BX हो गया और एक. ओके, you want, you can draw 3 and keep. Actually draw 3 and keep. Okay, use a set square so that you can able to draw exactly perpendicular. Okay, use a set square. How you will place the set square? It should be placed like this. Set square, one place will be 90 degree. Place it like that and draw it. Okay, makes sense? Surya, will you be able to do that? Hello? Here I have drawn 3 altitudes. Okay. We're going to give you guys 1 more minute. Give me a thumbs up on screen if you're done copying and drawing 3 altitudes also. Okay, haven't got from everyone. Aditya, you're raising your hands. Kuch bolna hai kya?
नहीं sir.
Okay, lower it then. Waiting for half the people to give me a thumbs up if you're done copying. Okay, guys, I'm going to move ahead and I'm going to just give one special case which happens here. Okay, now I want you to see, okay, this particular diagram. Okay, don't copy right now, okay, but just see this particular diagram. Let's do one thing. Draw this diagram ABC. Okay, draw this triangle. Let's not write ABC again. AXP. Okay, all of you draw this triangle like I have drawn. Okay, this should be obtuse angle. Okay, and I want you to try to draw the 3 altitudes for this triangle. or at least one. Okay, not okay. Let's draw the altitude from A to AP to XP. I want you to draw that and send it to me on WhatsApp personally right now. Okay, quickly. I'm going to give you 2 minutes.
What,
1
sir?
minute. Surya, मेरे को चाहिए कि you draw the altitude for this particular triangle and send it to me on WhatsApp. Okay, your triangle should look like this. Okay, X should be obtuse. Okay, I want you to draw this and send it to me. Actually, you know what? You can put it in the group only. Okay, no need to send it to me personally. Put it in the group only. Let everyone see. We'll just discuss that. Let's see who's the first person who puts the correct one. Will nahi, Shubham ek banao sirf from A. Okay, Shubham, only one is enough. From A you should draw. Okay. Put it in batch 3 group. This is a 10, maybe 20 mark question if you get it right. 20-point question. No one has sent so far. Lakshita, I'm not understanding that A, B, A, P, X, at least you mark. No, what I will understand without the labeling. Harini. Shubham has got 20 points. Guys, I want you to look at Shubham's. Okay. Harini, good try, but Harini, it was not correct. Okay. Shubham, I'm going to award you 20 points here. Okay. Dikshit, you are not correct, Dikshit. Dikshit, it should not be perpendicular to X. It should be perpendicular to the opposite side. Let's take Ritvika's example. Okay, Ritvika has drawn like this. You can see directly. I'm going to draw on screen. Okay, Ritvika has drawn like this. Okay, now the problem here, Ritvika, if I take this, okay, let's take this as M, or let's take this as Z. Okay, problem with this diagram, Ritvika, is this 90 degree? Ritvika, can you see this? Is this 90 degree? No, right? So is this height? No, you're getting me? It should be perpendicular to the base, which means, coming back to Shubham's diagram, it has to be, so base, if I try to draw perpendicular, if I try to draw anywhere joining A on this, it is not coming 90 only. But it is most important. The most important thing is that it should be 90 degree. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to extend X. I'm going to extend PX. Okay, straight only. You know, this is line segment. I'm going to extend it this side as a ray. Okay. After I extend it, straight I should extend. Okay, not like that. I'm going to extend it. Okay, I will draw straight. Then I will draw perpendicular. Okay. Ritvika, you remember the flower diagram?
Yes, sir.
Does this make sense to you now?
Yes, sir. Perfect.
Yeah, does this make sense to you guys? Now, do you see, and I'm really happy about, okay, I see some others have also thought about this, but I'm going to give points to the person who thought this first. Okay. So yes, Anagre, Amin, I'm seeing all of you have thought about this. Harini has also thought close enough. Okay. So AZ, it's actually, the altitude can lie outside the triangle also, especially if it is an obtuse triangle. Okay, altitude can lie outside also. How does this? How do you feel about this, guys? Are you at a fist to 5 on the chat? Can I get fist to 5, 0 to 5 on the chat? Akshita and Anagre, how are you feeling about this also? Okay. Yes.
Good.
Good. Thanks. Good to know that. Okay. Yes. See. Altitude, just write it as a note. Okay, in obtuse triangles, altitude may lie outside the triangle. Okay, this is possible, and I want you to draw this diagram. Okay, for example, this diagram, please draw AZ and ZX in dotted if you're using only pencil. If you're using a different color, that's okay. All right, otherwise AZ and ZX should be dotted. Okay, and just for everyone's understanding, I am going to quickly explain how the other two will also look. Okay, see, if I take from X to AP, it is very simple. AP is here. Okay, X to AP will be very simple, like how Dikshit drew. Okay, but 90 degrees should be here, Dikshit. Okay, this is one more altitude. Okay, so A wala altitude is over, X wala altitude is over. Let's see P wala altitude. P ka opposite side is where? P ka opposite side is AX. Okay, now P I cannot join to AX. I'm not getting 90 degree, but I should get 90 degree. So I will extend X, and P ka altitude will come here. This will be PQU, right? This will be the altitude from P to AX. Does this make sense? These are the three altitudes, guys. Okay, it need not be always inside the triangle. It's a very, very important learning. It's something which many even like many people go ahead in maths and do not realize this. Okay, but I want you guys to be very, very sure, very, very clear about this. Does this make sense how we have drawn the three altitudes here? I want you to draw it with dotted lines in your notebook right now, and then I want you to give me an on-screen thumbs up if we are clear about this. Actually, exactly speaking, two altitudes will lie. Okay, change the statement. Okay, guys, right? Two altitudes will lie outside the triangle. Change it. Okay, 2 out of 3 altitudes will lie outside the triangle in obtuse triangle. Okay, change it, write this and copy down this example. Shivam?
Oh.
Very good, Shivam. Okay. Good thinking. All right. One more. Okay. I want to push this a little bit. Okay. I want to push this a little bit. Now let's take a right triangle. Okay. Let's take a right triangle PQR, right angled at Q. Can someone tell me what is the question? Is how will the altitude from P to QR look like? Jitin, go ahead.
Sir, we should just measure the height of P and Q, sir.
P and Q, nahi yaar, PQ. P and Q are two different points. PQ. Very good, Jitin. I'm going to give you 10. Actually, I'm going to give you 20 points here. Very good. Okay. First person to answer. PQ is only the height. Okay. Jitin, can you also tell from R to QP how it will be?
Sir, like we should draw a perpendicular line. First, we should draw. No, sir. Sir,
no.
from R to PQ, sir. Sir, that only, sir. We should measure.
Which one?
Line from PR, sir. We should measure the line, sir. Line segment, sir.
We should measure PR. I'm going to make this 15. I thought you understood.
Sir. Sir, we should draw a straight line, sir. We should draw like that only, sir. We did for AZ.
Which
sir.
Line segment will be?
Sir, we should extend the line, sir.
Illapa, no. I am saying, see my question carefully. From R to PQ. From R to PQ. how will the altitude look? Jitin, first one you got. Okay, chalo, no problem. Let's hear from Harini. Harini?
Sir, RQ is QR is only the
Correct, correct. First answer is PQ, Jitin, and second answer is QR only. Jitin, you see, this is already perpendicular.
Sir, I said no, sir.
You said PR pa. You said PR pa. Okay. All right. PQ is here. From R, it is already perpendicular. So QR is the. Okay, write the answer also. Okay. PQ is altitude from P to QR, and QR is altitude from R to PQ. Okay, but note it. But important, from Q, what? Who is speaking?
Akshata was speaking, sir.
Hey, I can't hear her. Akshata, can you?
She was calling, sir.
Akshata,
Can you turn me down?
yeah, it's breaking a little bit, but go ahead.
If you draw a line segment from Q to one other
PR.
please take it.
I did not get you, Akshata.
So can you draw a line from Q to
From Q where? How which line I? Huh?
yes.
Akshata, can't hear you very clearly. Akshata, can you ask this question afterwards? Okay, or send me a voice note with a diagram on WhatsApp. Okay, we will take it individually. After this call is over, send me a voice note and a diagram with your question on WhatsApp. Okay. Lakshita and Surya, you're raising your hands. Do you want to add something here?
Sir, can you scroll down the screen, sir?
Acha, ऊपर वाला question देखना है. Okay. So these are the two things. Okay. Now from Q, it will look like this. Okay. From Q to PR, QM is looking like this, but I may not, that's not a question. Okay, so leave it. I'm just mentioning this here so that we are all good. Okay. I will wait for 30 seconds more for people to copy, and then we are going to close this topic and move on to the properties, the two theorems.
So will we do the theorems now only, sir?
Yeah, it will not going to, we're not going to prove it. We're just going to like write down the theorems and then close. Okay. It's something which you have already seen, Akshata.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's do we have a class tomorrow?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we have one class at 10 o'clock. Okay. Okay, actually, let's wrap this up here. I'm thinking it will be too much for today. Let's wrap up this here. Wrap this up here. Okay.
Bye.
We will listen. Wait, man. What bye. So there is no homework from today, but there has been a lot of notes. Okay, I want your notes to contain everything. Okay, everything that we have discussed, everything should be there in your notes. All right, it should not be anything. Should not the flower diagram or any one of those two diagrams. All the definitions we have done, all of that has to be in your notebook. Okay, when I see it on Saturday, I want all of that to be there. Okay, if you have missed something for some reason now, please make sure as soon as the call is cut, you finish it. Okay, there's no other homework for now.
Sir, I can't hear you, sir. What are you speaking?
Can someone type it for me? Type who are typing people? Can you type it?
So,
Yes, Ritvika.
so you said you will give a video, right?
Yes, I will be giving that. Okay. Lakshita, wait. Homework is there. The homework is that video. Okay. There is no homework with this topic. All right.